Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now stepping into the Mind Palace with Sohani Shah, the mentalist, who's got a sixth sense for drama and a whole lot of self.
Did you just say sixth sense for drama? You make me sound like a very Kaleshi girl.
I'm so sorry. But who's trending a lot on
ऐसी
digital.
बातों की वजह से guys मैं single रहने वाली हूँ. देखो guys मैं बहुत सुंदर सुशील अच्छी लड़की हूँ.
Okay, guys, then we've got to proof that she is single. So, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, first things first. Your idea of Rising Bharat in 3 words. Go. Quick.
My idea of Rising Bharat. Youth. Positive use of technology. Sanskar.
Very good. Okay, what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever predicted or guessed correctly and then ended up regretting it?
Yeah, so I figured out this guy's crush's name and I spoke about it in front of people when his wife was sitting in the audience, and the crush was also a colleague who was in the audience, and the wife and the colleague were the friends. And later on it put me into big trouble because they came backstage and the guy wanted me to say that अरे ये सब fake था झूठा. I'm like नहीं था. It was a problematic situation.
But my intro now fits well, no, Kalesh?
नहीं, उसके बाद से I started taking consent from people before revealing anything. And this happened too long ago.
So, as a mentalist prediction, can you, how do you deal with the skeptics? Because of course, there is mixed bag of emotion and kind of reactions that you're getting on digital platforms.
I love the skeptics. If there are no skeptics, magic will not survive. Because if everybody starts believing in it, when everybody starts believing in the same thing, it turns out to be reality. It turns out to be normal. So skeptics तो जरूरी है ताकि art form survive करे. So yeah, turning the skeptics into believer one magic act at a time. So I want skeptics to be there.
All right, perfect. Okay, quickly, Rising Bharat 2025 में कोई movie title दो तो क्या होगा आपके हिसाब से? People have said Bahubali, Gabbar is back, something like that.
Gabbar is back.
So in your view, Rising Bharat 2025.
देश का संस्कारी youth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now not bad. Okay, I'll now be throwing some words at you.
Yeah.
First जो दिमाग में आएगा वो बोलना. मैं तो आपको नहीं पढ़ सकती हूँ आपका दिमाग, ठीक है?
Ah.
But don't filter your answers, okay?
I'll try.
Okay, भारत.
मतलब आपके एंटरटेनमेंट के चक्कर में हम कंट्रोवर्सी में चले जाएं.
नहीं इतनी भी नहीं controversy. ठीक है, भारत.
Rising.
AI.
Future.
Instagram.
Distribution.
Okay, Reels.
Entertainment.
Influencers.
Influence.